This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have admin access and a backup ready, so start in the dashboard. Go to Settings, right arrow General to change the site title and tagline. This affects header and meta. Once done, save changes at the bottom. If your theme uses a custom logo or header text, open Appearance, right arrow Customize next. Make sure your new title fits design constraints. You're initiating the name change here because WordPress stores the site title in these core settings. Next, update theme and branding so the new name displays everywhere. Open Appearance, right arrow Customize and edit site identity. Replace logo, alt text, and header title. Then inspect widgets, menus, and any header scripts. Change hard-coded names. Make sure your SEO plugin, like title templates, reflects the new title, otherwise search listings keep the old name. Once adjusted, publish the customizer changes and clear any caching plugins so visitors see the update immediately. Finalize by clearing all caches, server, plugin, and CDN, then test in an incognito window and on mobile. Make sure permalinks and SEO titles reflect the new name. Submit updated sitemap to Search Consoles if needed. If the old name persists, inspect theme templates and header. PHP for hard-coded strings, and search the database for occurrences to replace safely. A key troubleshooting tip: disable caching and check again. Stale caches are the most common cause of lingering old names.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.